So hi guys, good afternoon all of you. Guys audible? Are you audible guys? Okay, right. Okay, right. So today is the last session for your batch guys here, and two topics we will be covered this. Okay, so in this one of the topic is called as your data pump. Okay, data pump. So basically data pump. So what is this? And for what purpose we want to use this data pump? Okay, means simply we can say guys here, it is a tool. It is a tool. Okay, it is a tool. So which is used. Okay, which is used to transfer okay, to transfer database information from one system to another system. From one system to another system. So whenever you want to go to move your database information from one to another system, otherwise from one location to another location. So there we are using data pump tool. Okay, now? And this tool is having two more tools here. One is we called as the first one we called as what now? So export data pump tool. Okay, so it's nothing but what now? Export data pump. It's one thing. And second one is called as here. Okay, import data pump tool. That's called as import data pump. Okay, so when you want to move from one to another, first of all, what we want to do, the database, whatever the database information we are moving from one to another location. Okay, now from one to another location. So that database first we need to export here. Export means we have to transfer into one dump file. We are transferring into one dump file. So after your entire database information, whenever you want to dump or whenever you want to export into dump file, okay, after exporting your entire database information into dump file, and later that dump file we are giving to other user. Okay, so suppose I'm a user one. So I'm a user one. What I'm going to do, my entire database information, I'm going to exporting into one dump file. One dump file I'm creating, and after exporting my entire information into dump file, and that dump file I'm giving to second user. Second user, what he want to do, taking exporting dump file, and after taking that, based on that exporting dump file, he will be importing into his own system. Okay, so that means I am exporter and second person is called as a importer. So I'm exporting my database information into dump file, and with the help of dump file, second user is going to be importing that database information in his computer or in his system or in his server. Okay, now so that is called export and import we called as guys. Okay, now right. So now in this exporting and importing, observe how to do this exporting, how to do importing. Let me see. So first I will go for exporting dump file or data pump tool I'm using now. So what is this export DP means? Okay, this tool I'm using guys here. Okay, this tool is used to to, to copy data from database, okay, into a dump file, okay now? So this is okay, and copy data from database, which database, okay, from database, and that will be exporting into dump file. For this purpose we need to use a exporter dumper tool, and in this we have a syntax here. So what is the syntax to do this one? Means you have to write like expdb, export dump file, and you have to send username, password, okay now? So username, password, and here before you have to go for directory, okay, directory is nothing but path location. So that means where is your dump file is created. That means after copy data from database and exporting into dump file, that dump file in which path, in which location do you want to store? So that is called a directory. That is called a path location. Okay now? So here I want to give my directory name. So directory name is nothing path location. Okay, okay, path location. Okay, and after that, okay, my dump file. Okay, what is my dump file name? You have to give some dump file name. So dump file name. Okay. You have to give on which name you have to store your dump file. That is next one we called as the schema. Schema is nothing but what now? It's a database name. Okay, schema is nothing but database name. So your database name you have to pass. Okay, database name. So now this is what my syntax of exporting data. Okay, let you come out. First of all, I want to go one particular drive to my computer. First you have to, okay, so for example, software ecolon. So in this, okay, now, right, one of my folder I'm going to create it here, guys. Now, so for example, one new folder I'm creating. The new folder name is, okay, NIT is one folder I'm creating. So this folder NIT, one folder you can create in your E drive, and this folder when I open, so there is nothing was there in this folder. My folder is empty, and now this is your path. E:/NIT. This is called a path. Okay, this is called a path. So this path I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy this path. Okay. After that, come to my database. Now, first, as usual, you have to connect with your system administrator, manager. Okay, I'm connecting here. So first, what we want to do, I'm connecting with the system manager. So once you connected with the manager, now this system manager is creating directory now. Okay, now, so he was create directory. My directory name is XYZ22. Okay, some name, any name you can give it, no problem. XYZ22. Okay, as here path, that means this a directory I'm showing. My path is I'm pasting here E:/NIT. Means XYZ is called a directory name, and this name is representing, this name is nothing but what now? E:/NIT. E:/NIT. So E:/NIT is nothing but XYZ22. XYZ22. Okay now? So one, okay, path is created. One path is created. That means my dump file is storing under, where my dump file is storing E:/NIT. E:/NIT, my dump file is storing. Okay, now my dump file sorry, my dump file is storing in this path. This path name is what is this path name? XYZ22. XYZ22 is my path name. Okay, right. So the path name is nothing but directory name. So directory is successfully created. After created your directory successfully, okay, now then what we want to do, let you keep this, and go to command prompt. Go your command prompt and open. So I'm opening my command prompt, guys, here. Okay, here I want to connect now. Now what is the syntax here? Already syntax is given now. So what is the syntax here? This is my syntax. Export dp username / directory name, dump file name, and schema database name. Okay, right. So this syntax I'm following in my here. So export dump file dp. Okay, username. What is my username? System. Okay, password is my password is managed. So after giving this, next one is what now? Directory. So directory is equal to what is my directory name, guys? Here, my directory name is XYZ22. My directory name is XYZ22. After that, dump file. So dump file name. So now some name, for example, my dump file name is simply db dot okay dmp. Okay, so dump file, any name you can give, ABC. Otherwise, if you have any question doubt is there, so like you can give like ABC something. Okay, dot extension DMP. So ABC dot DMP. DMP is called a dump file extension. Okay, na dump file extension. And schema. Okay, schema is what I said here. Database name. So my database name is what now? Spot. That means which database information I am transferring. I am moving means spot database. Okay. So now I'm going to enter. Okay. Now enter. Okay, right. So now in this Scott database, how many tables are there? DEPT, EMP, employee, salary, student, and test. So these are the tables we have. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can see your Scott database, same tables are there or not. Connect with your Scott user. So in Scott database user, so total how many tables? 6 tables, right? So test table, students, employee, EMP, DEPT, salary. So these all tables that I'm moving. So same thing it will be showing, right? Okay, same thing it will be showing, right? Okay. Now, so all tables are exporting. Now we can see your exporting dump file is created. Okay, you are exporting successfully done. And where it is your ABC dump file, where I stored NIT / E colon. So this is my path location. E colon / NIT / ABC dot DMP. Okay, now system exporting schema successfully completed. Okay, after completed, now this ABC file is created or not. If you want to see, you can go to E colon / NIT. Let you come to go for your E colon / NIT. Yes, go to my computers, E colon and NIT. Yes, NIT. Yeah, now your ABC dump file is created. ABC dump file is created. Okay, now, and this is exporting your information text file. Your text file, if you want to open, and you can see you are exporting internal processing code. This internal processing here. So whatever it was showing on my command prompt. So in Scott table, how many tables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tables. That all 6 tables are exported here. Okay, now. So this information, if you want to see, you can see. But this file cannot be opened. Okay, now this is not it is a only read only file, and don't open this file. Don't open this file. This is a read only file. Okay, now right. So after creating this dump file, what I want to do now, this two whatever I created in NIT folder, now this is I'm sending to second user this exporting file. Okay, along with the dump exporting file, I'm sending to second user. Second user, what he want to do by using of this dump file, he will be importing. He will be importing. Okay, now right. So now how to importing into second? Now we'll let you come out. Okay, so this is happening. Okay, now after that, what is the second tool here? Import dump file, the data pump tool language. So this tool, what it was telling guys here, okay, is used to importing data from dump file, because we have in dump file now, dump file to Oracle database. Oracle database. So now the syntax is up. What is the syntax for this? Okay, so IMP-DP, again same username / password. Okay, after that directory. So directory is equal to my directory name or path location. Okay, directory name. Okay, now later what is your dump file? So dump file is equals to dump file name. Dump file name. So this is what we can see guys here, importing of your data. So these are the things we can go to use it now. Okay, this is my syntax. Now we can come out. So before I want to importing into this Oracle, already Spot database is there already, right? So first what I want to do, I'm dropping this Spot database from my Oracle. The system administrator is dropping Spot user. Drop username is Spot Cascade. Now we can see I'm dropping syntax. By using drop statement, I'm dropping your user. So user, which user? Spot user successfully dropped. That means Spot database is deleted from my Oracle server. After that, if you want to connect with the Spot and Tiger, what happened? So there is no invalid username and password. So that means there is no user of Spot, because Spot user is dropping from my Oracle. Now we can see in my Oracle server, now Spot database is not there, because here every user is a one schema. Okay, now one schema. So your Spot schema database is not there. I deleted from my Oracle server location. So now this is my, again, it's a new Oracle. It's a new Oracle. Now what I want to do, whatever the exporting file is there, with the help of this exporting file, so now I'm going to importing now. Okay, how to importing? Let you come out. So IMP-DB system/manager. So here I want to give directory. What is our directory name? My direct name is XYZ22. Okay, and dump file. What is your dump file? abc.dmp extension. Okay, so dump file abc.extension. Now I'm giving. Now you just enter. Okay, right. Again, whatever the exporting tables are there, Spot user, that all exporting table with the Spot user is successfully imported. Importing full one successfully completed. Okay, now so after completed, let you come back here. See, go to your database. Okay, now you can connect now. So I'm connecting now. Connect with the Spot in my Oracle. Okay. Now yes. Now smart user successfully connected, and let you see that all tables, whatever it was there in the smart database, that all tables again I got it. Okay, now so this is the mechanism how to moving your database information from one system to another system by using of a dump file. By using of a dump file. Yeah, it's like a backup also we can say. It's like a backup also you can say. So in SQL Server database, those people what they will say, they're creating backup files, and the backup file is sending to some other user, and with the help of backup file, they're going to be imported. So yeah, same concept here, dump file. In SQL Server, they're using backup tools. Here we are using data pump tool. Okay, right. So this is what we called as how to data exporting and how to import by taking of dump file. Dump file means simply remember, if you easy to understanding, means backup creations, backup files. Okay, now right. Okay, now right here. This is one small topic in this. Okay, that was we complete here how to transfer your data. Okay, now next one is the last topic, that is called a dynamic SQL, guys. So dynamic SQL is one technique. Okay, dynamic SQL is one technique. So will this help of this technique, what we can do? Let you observe. With the help of this technique, what we can do. So okay, dynamic SQL. What is the mean by dynamic SQL? So dynamic means can we change or we cannot change, guys? Can we change or we cannot change? We can change. Yes, we can change. So now, what is the dynamic SQL means? So dynamic SQL is a one just a programming technique to build SQL statements at a runtime level. That means whatever SQL queries are there, those queries have to pass at a runtime level. Okay, now. But previously, whatever the queries we discuss in SQL language, that every query is called a static. That every query is called a static. Okay, now. So that SQL static queries, if you want to convert into dynamic query, then we have to use this dynamic SQL technique. It's a one technique. With the help of this technique, just converting. Okay, here we are not doing okay much and more. Already we know DDL operations, DML operations, DQL operations, DCL. We already know this all we are working in SQL language. But there what happened? Those are all are static queries. Those queries you need to convert into dynamic. Then it is called a dynamic SQL query. We call it. Okay. For example, let you see. Drop table name. Here, drop table name. This is SQL query, and this is a static query. SQL language, all queries are static queries, right? Now it is a static query. So now what it was happened? If I'm going to writing and executing this command, which table can delete, guys? Which table can I drop? Which table we are dropping? EMP table. So EMP table only we can drop, right? But suppose I want to drop a DAPT table, for example. Another table I want to drop. Another table I want to drop means what I want to do. Again, I have to write a query like this. Drop table DAPT. Suppose I want to drop another table. Again, we need to write what now? Drop a table. My table name is course. Suppose another table I want to drop. Then we have to write again drop a table. Another table is what for student. So it means what happens are here with the help of this drop command, we are dropping only specific table. That means which name I was given here, that particular table only I can delete or I can drop. But other tables I cannot drop it. Understand now? because this is static query. Static means you cannot change your table name at runtime level. Whatever the name I was given along with my command here, this is called a static command, static query. So which name are you given, that table only deleted. And if I want to go for another table, you should write another statement. You should write another statement. So that means here every table, that means every individual table, when you want to drop, you need to write a drop statement number of times, because your SQL queries are static queries. But instead of writing like this to deleted tables, instead of writing like this, what I'm going to do, my drop table name syntax is there now. So drop table name syntax, I need to convert into dynamic. I need to convert into dynamic. Then what I want to do, first I have to declare one variable. This is variable. This is table name is a one variable. This variable is which type of variable? Dynamic variable I'm creating. So ampersand means what now? Dynamically enter. We already so many times, so many examples, so many times we used it. So ampersand is nothing but dynamically we entered our values. So now what happened? This is my syntax. Drop table name. Table name is called a variable name. This variable, which type of variable? Dynamic variable. Then what happened? By using of this variable, I am inserting my table name. So at a dynamic level, suppose at my runtime level, if I inserted EMP, then EMP here drop table. What is my table name? EMP. EMP is deleted. If dynamically, if user is entered here DPT, then here drop table name is what now? DPT table is deleted. So that means dynamically which table name are you passing here, that table automatically deleted. Okay, that means only one query statement, but only table name is dynamically we are passing. So whatever the name you are entering at a dynamic level, that name will be storing under this para variable, and this variable I'm passing along with my in place of table name. I'm in place of table name, I'm passing variable, dynamic variable I'm passing. Later, whatever the name you enter, that name automatically executed this query at your at which level? Runtime level. It will be built. Runtime level it will be executed. So that's why which name are you given there, that name will be taken out and dropped in the table. But here what happened? Every table if I want to go for, I need to write a complete query again and again, because these are the static. Which name I was given, that name cannot change. Only that table only I can delete. But this name I cannot change at my runtime level. If you want to change your runtime level, then you can convert into dynamic query. So this is one syntax of dynamic query, how it is. So now these are dynamic queries. If you want to execute, okay, we have to use execute immediate. One statement is there. So the statement is used to executing DDL commands or dynamic commands. Okay, na? So DDL or dynamic, so we are going to be executed. So that means whenever you want to executing dynamic SQL command, definitely we have to use an execute immediate statement. Execute immediate statement is used to executing dynamic SQL command, which is built at runtime level, those dynamic SQL query executing purpose, we are using execute immediate, okay, statement. Now syntax is what now? Execute immediate, and here dynamic SQL command we need to pass. When you're passing this, then immediately executing immediate statement is executing your SQL dynamic command. Okay, now one small example you can see. Very simple guys here. There is nothing was there, just like a program, simple program up there. So create a stored procedure to drop a table at runtime level. Okay, na? Right. So runtime means dynamically. Okay, na? Right. So already procedures we know now. So create or replace procedure. My procedure name I was given drop underscore table, and here one parameter I'm passing n. N is a parameter name, table name, anything XYZ, ABC, whatever you can take. It's in by default. So varchar 2. Later E is begin. Just I'm passing along with the immediate statement. My command is what? My SQL command is what? Drop table name, right? Drop. What I'm doing here in place of table name. In place of table name, what I am passing? Okay, in place of table name, what I'm passing? Just my parameter I'm passing. Okay, let you see. Let you see. So it's a very simple. Just converting technique is called SQL dynamic SQL. Let you observe. So first you have to connect with your user. Okay, right. In this, we already have some tables. Okay, right. And now I'm going to writing my program. Okay, simple one line statement. Procedure is created. And now we can procedure how to call execute. My procedure name is drop underscore table of parameter. Suppose if I'm passing as if I'm passing here, my table name is test I'm passing. Which table name I'm passing test? Test I'm passing the table name I'm entering at which level? Dynamic level. At which level? Dynamic level. So whatever you are passing the value along with the procedure, so this value is storing under n parameter. Okay, now so this n parameter I substituted in my query here. Then what happened here? Your runtime level, your query is forming like this. Your query forming like this. How it was forming? Drop table space. N means what now? N means what now? Test. Now what happened? Test table is dropping. Understanding now? Test table is dropping. Let you see. Let you see. Okay, now I'm going to execute this. Now let you see. Yes, PL procedure successfully done. After done, let you come back your tab. Can you see your test table is not there? Your test table is not there. Okay, now. So if for example, next one more table if you want to draw. Next, what I want to do, for example, next table is students. Students, I'm going to draw now. Okay, so PLSQL procedure is successfully done. Students are dropped. Let me come out and see your tab. Okay, so student is also successfully be dropped. But here, what happened? Student and test table is a temporarily drop now because we have an address now. Temporarily drop. Suppose you need to permanently drop, sir. What you want to do, guys? Here, permanently drop means we are using one command is there. The command is called as the plug command is there. Okay, plug command is there. So plug command I'm using here. So same thing. Here I'm passing plug statement we are using for to permanently dropping purpose. Okay, now same to same. I just taken this. Okay, the same procedure. I'm just here taking this. Okay, now this time what I'm going to do, I'm using purg. Okay, I'm using purg. Okay, after using purg, here what happened? Two tables are there now. So two tables, can I flashback now? I'm using flashback, for example, you can see table. Table name is what now? First table tester, two before drop. Okay, next one is what now? Flashback. Table, another table name is what now? Student, two before drop. Okay, right. Now we come back your tab. Okay, so students and test table we restored it because temporarily we drop. Now I'm creating my procedure with which command here. So n is there as usual up to same. Drop table name is n, but we are using what? Purg. And now we can use, now we can call execute. Okay, my procedure name of underscore table of. Now I'm using students. I'm using, for example. Let you see I'm dropping now. This time PLSQL procedure successfully completed. But let you come out and see now this time permanent or temporary. This time permanent or temporary. Yes, it is a permanent. It is a permanent. Suppose you need to use a flashback now. Suppose are using flashback command. What it was happening? Showing error. Object not found in recycle bin. It was showing error. Okay, now so that means permanently we drop it here. So this is what we called as guys here static SQL query, how to converting into dynamic. This is we called as a dynamic SQL technique we called. Okay, now. So these are your database and Oracle course guys here. Okay, now. So now we successfully completed here. And before you want to leave this, okay, take my personal ID. So in the future, if you want to communicate to me, you just communicate with this personal ID. And okay, so I will respond your question and answers. If any doubts are there, Saturday, Sunday, I will respond to you. Saturday, Sunday, I will respond to you for your queries. Okay, now. So in the future, any question, doubt is there, you can go for this. Okay. And finally, okay, I will upload. I'm going to my people uploading today evening today evening or night. They will upload your complete Oracle material. Okay, complete material. Okay, every topic wise, all material. Okay, and we said your interview IQs, whatever I said. If anybody interested to start database side, you can go IQs and exercise examples. Almost 100 I was given. Class notes example and these examples combined together, almost 200 plus examples are come to you. Some fresher resume model and experience resume model. This is what. And if anybody want it, okay, Oracle course, okay, Oracle course certificate. Okay, certificate. This is completely management will take this responsibility. So who is your admin? Okay, so you have admin number now. You just inform the admin, sir, my batch is completed. So we want it Oracle course certificate. Then they will be send it to you to your mail ID, whatever address you given. Through that address, they will pass you. So this is completely management guys here because they're authorized people now, so they will provide the certificates. Okay, and this is what I promised you: the complete material, interview questions, some exercise, fresher resume model, experience resume model. So this is I will provide my stuff. Okay, and this is if you want it anybody, you can take your contact your admin and take the certificate from them. Okay, now so this is today evening or night they will be uploaded. Don't worry. Okay, right. And later, this is my personal ID. You can keep it. And one more thing, guys, here. Actually, in my company, that means my own not own company. What we can say, my brother-in-law. My brother-in-law company is there are some openings are there, guys. Here. I hope I informed or not. I don't know. But in my brother-in-law company, there are some openings are there. If anybody interested, so please take it here, guys. So please take this information. Okay. So we, our people are wanted. The company name is Samyuta Infotech. Okay. So Hyderabad is in Miapur, in Hyderabad, Miapur. Miapur means all of you know it's near to high-tech city. So we wanted, guys, here. We wanted the people who completed, that means your course completely should complete. Without completing course you can't. So who already some minimum 70-80% is completed, they can attend. So we wanted Java, Python, digital marketing, Android UI technologies. On these platforms we need it here, and qualification is any degree, guys, here. Okay, any BSc, BCom, okay, BCA, MCA, BTech, all branches, MBA, anybody, but one software technology you should be know it, and those technologies are these are your degree qualification with any background. Suppose you are a BCom, but you know Java, you can attend. You know Python, like this. Okay, any degree, and we wanted 2018, 19, 20, 21 pass out people. We are taking as a fresher only. We are not considering any experienced here. We are taking as a fresher. Okay, now so these people who are pass out, these people, okay, even the 2018 people also we are taking as a fresher. We are not seeing any experience here. Okay, now right. If anybody is there, so what you want to do, you just send mail to this careers@samyuta.com. Okay, and if my company information, if you want to know it, you can go to Google and check complete information about your Samyuta. Okay, now right. So first send your latest resume. Okay, with your latest technologies, whatever I said. Okay, so send it to this mail, and my HR people, what they will do, they will be calling to you. Okay, they will be calling, and they will be first. They will be checking your technology. If all these technologies are okay, means definitely you will get a call. Definitely you will get a call. Okay, now. So in that call, they will tell you complete procedure. So how many rounds? What is the technical round? Okay, how they are going to be, means interviews also maximum virtual. Online interviews, maybe directly they will be online through, they will be contact to you for interviews purpose. So maybe 2 to 3 rounds. I don't exactly, but the minimum 3 rounds it will be there. So the complete interview procedure, they will be called. They will call to you and they will tell. Otherwise, they will sending mail. In the mail, complete details will be there about your interviews. Okay, now after in the interview, based on interview performance wise, they will be decided your packages also. Okay, now. So and this is suppose now the situation is not good. So that's why maybe you have to, suppose you selected, you will be work from home only. Okay, so all over India, wherever you there, no problem. They will give complete the company profile, the company admins, your user ID, password. They will give to you, and from work from home only you have to do. Okay, up to how much, means that's depending on our Corona situation. Yes or no? COVID situation. You're working from home only. Suppose you selected. Okay, you don't come to Hyderabad also. You can work from there only. After they will be calling to you directly office, then compulsory you should come to Hyderabad. Okay, now. So this is one recruitment going on, guys. Here. So if anybody interested, you can go. And not only you guys. Suppose your friend is there. Your friend is searching job. He was already, courses are completed. Okay, these courses are already completed. So please inform to your friends also. So I'm sharing this information in chat box. All of you take it, guys. Okay, not only you. Suppose your friend is there. Your seniors are there. Your brothers and sisters. If any colleagues, okay, now anybody is there, just inform to this. Okay, now if interested candidate, you can send it to this ID, your resumes. Okay, now guys, yeah. So good opportunity. So don't miss it. Okay, now right. So this is from my side some support to you. Okay, in the future, this kind of any support is there, definitely I will interact with mail ID and I will support to you. Okay, if any my personal, if anything is come, I will inform to you. That is no problem. Okay, right, guys. And this is what, guys, here. And uh, thank you so much for you guys here. Okay, for spending these many days. I don't know whether 60 or 60 sessions ago it has happened. Whatever it is, I don't know. But okay, anyway, thank you so much for supporting and for staying here. Okay, na? And of course, from last 10 days onwards, my health also not consistently well. It was a little bit up and down happening health side also. Okay, na? So that's why some little bit extension of your days. Okay, but anyway, guys, thank you and all the best. Okay, all the best for your future and wherever it is. Okay, I wish you all to get a good job and settle in a good position in your life, guys. Here. And stay at home only. So situation, based on situation, come outside and be careful. Your health also very important. So health also careful. Okay, now, right, guys. And thank you so much for your support and everything. Okay, now, thank you, guys. Thank you so much.